You don't gotta tell me nothing. Anything, it's their business. Take off like I shot up out of cannon, but I ain't landing. Competition with myself. President Biden, old money, loose kidney, turn a new leaf. We not tripping either. I'm with them niggas if they right or wrong. They said you got the right to bear on. Bales of hay on my money form. I don't got shit but love. Transpired aggression. Dog, I'm here to motivate. He got female tendencies. Peter roll. Pocket Griffin size. Like it's emphasized. Follow beam. Get my roll on. Surrounded by some zombies. Killers. Goddamn. What's the hold up? Bank account must have froze up. It happened to me a couple times. Let me quit playing. Wrap it up. Breakfast burrito. I talk Spanish. Think I'm amigo. El Camino. That way. That way. That way. I rap on beats. No Tracy T. Fully focused. I hate sipping lean. Bubblegum. Yoga fresh. When I step on the scene. They say everything big in Texas. But I'm in Kentucky, babe. The grass ain't green. It's very blue. My past relationship. We won't speak on that. Unless we get married. They say strings attached. They said getting names tatted on you is bad luck. So baby, let me get your face tatted. I got no sugar. Need it. Don't like kissing. But from her, I need it. I don't call her beautiful. But she gorgeous. Pumpkin pie, I eat it. She got me nervous. But they know that I've been ready for it. She don't like when I'm clingy. Throw the towel in. My baby undefeated. I can't help it. She's too pretty. But I'm focused on this money. Make my heart empty. Make me feel anemic. What's your zodiac sign? You don't believe it? And I wouldn't either. Pull up in a white beater. I might leave